Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be playing with some cool tones and I'm so excited. You guys know that your girl here loves her warm tones and I really don't use cool tones on my eyes just because I don't feel like they look great on me. But I posted a picture the other day on Instagram and I was wearing like this very subtle blue look and a lot of people were like, oh my god, blue looks so good on you. And I was like, yes, hyping me up. So that inspired me to play around with some blue and some cool tones and this is what I created. And I'm so happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So if you want to see how I got this look and just get ready with me, then let's go ahead and get started. So in my last video, I was going through the comments and so many people recommended that Aussie 3-minute mask. So of course I went to Target and I got it and I tried it last night and holy guacamole, my hair is so soft and shiny in comparison to that last video that I was like, oh my god, my hair is so dry. The mask worked amazing and I'm so happy with how soft and shiny. It kind of looks like my old hair again, which I'm so happy about. You guys can see this mirror. It needs to like back up. Ugh. There has been way too many distractions to start this video, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go in with my Farsali Skin Tune Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. I really like this. I put it in the fridge overnight and then I brought it out and oh my god, it made such a huge difference. It creates a really nice smooth layer on my skin, so it makes my foundation go on a lot smoother. And to make my foundation application a little bit easier, I'm gonna go in with a corrector. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Corrector in Light Biscay. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this wherever I have a little breakout or an acne scar, anything I wanna cover up. I'm also going to use this under my eyes to cancel out my dark circles because they have been a little bit intense lately. For foundation today, I'm using one of my favorites. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. I'm using the shade NC30. This is a new one, that's why I don't have a pump on it. But usually for these foundations, I always buy the pump at MAC and it just makes it easier to apply. So this is a good OG foundation. It just photographs amazing and I'm planning to go take some outfit photos later. So I want my foundation to not have any flashback and to show up really pretty in my pictures. To blend this in, I'm using my Sigma 3D sponge. This is the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer, and I am using it in the shade 16G. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this under my eyes. I'm using the same sponge that I used for my foundation. I'm taking the pointy side and I'm just blending this in. I love this sponge. You can literally use it for everything. I'm gonna use it to bake, concealer, foundation, everything, girl. This color that I'm using has like a salmon undertone, which I really like because it's gonna help brighten my under eyes and it's also going to help with the dark circles. I always want to take that extra step to make sure that those dark circles are hidden. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off that foundation off my brows so that I can fill them in because we did get a little bit of product on it. On my brows today, I'm using this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 5. Love this. I'm just gonna fill in my brows. I feel like you guys see me fill them in every video, so this is a step that I'm just gonna do quickly here. Brows are filled in. I'm taking my Ready Set Brow by Benefit and I'm just going to set them, make sure they don't go anywhere and that they look nice and sharp. Okay, I have two songs stuck in my head, you guys. Electricity by Dua Lipa and then I also have Taki Taki by Cardi B, Selena Gomez, Ozuna. Literally such a catchy song. Let me know what song you're obsessed with in the comments below, whether it's English, Spanish, another language. I would definitely love to look it up. So for my eyes today, I'm using the new Sigma Viper eyeshadow palette and this is part of their holiday collection. So it is limited edition, which has 6 different shades. You have a mixture of these shimmery metallic shades and then you have 3 mattes in here. And then you also have 2 liquid lipsticks in the collection. You have this gorgeous nude and then you have this stunning berry red shade. I don't know which one I'm gonna use today, so let's play with the eye makeup first. To start off, I'm taking Hypnotize and I'm using my Sigma E40 brush and I'm going to work this on my crease. I'm also going to bring it down to my lids. I'm gonna go in with my Translucent Loose Setting Powder by LANCôME and I'm using that same sponge and I'm going to apply this under my eyes just in case I have any fallout. It doesn't ruin my concealer or my foundation. girl, I do not want to do that again, okay? So I'm gonna make sure that it's nice and set. This has to be my favorite shade in the eyeshadow palette. This is Sinister, and this is a gorgeous metallic royal blue shade. And I'm using a Sigma E58 brush to pack this all over my lids. By the way, I didn't even wet my brush, and look how pigmented and vibrant that color is. This is so pretty. I cannot remember the last time I did blue eyeshadow, but I'm so happy that I used it today because this color is so pretty, especially for the holidays and all the parties that are coming up. I'm going back into the palette with my E25 brush. And by the way, this brush comes in a set with 2 other brushes. It comes with the E55, the E40, which is like my OG favorite, and then the E25. The other day I was like, let me test myself and see if I can do my full eye makeup with this set. And I did it, you guys. Literally, I only used those 3 brushes and I was like, oh snap. So I'm pretty sure they still have it on their website. I'm gonna link it in the description box below. The Sigma brushes do have a 2-year warranty, so if anything happens to them, you can contact them and they'll replace it or help you out in any way they can with the brushes. So I'm going back in with my E25 and the shade Hypnotize, and I'm going to blend this on my crease. I'm going back in, but this time I'm going to use my finger and I'm just going to tap it all over my lid. We're done with that blue eyeshadow, so I'm just going to go ahead and dust off that powder from under my eyes. I'm taking my Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil and I'm going to apply this really tight to my upper lashes. I'm going to go in and apply this on my waterline as well. I'm just going to go ahead and smudge that eyeliner on my eyelids. I'm also extending it just a tiny bit just to give it that illusion that I have a cat eye. I'm using Adder, which is a matte dark brown, and my E25 Sigma brush. I'm gonna blend this under my lower lashes to give it sort of like that smoky eye look. I'm finishing off the look with a little bit of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. These are the Baddie lashes in Sugar Baby. They're so nice and fluffy and thick and dramatic, and they're perfect for eye looks like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of lash glue and pop these on. Pop this shade right here on the inner corners of my eyes. And this is going to open up my eyes a little bit more. And I love this color because it has kind of like blue or green reflective pearls. Like, do you see that? It adds a really nice look to this eye makeup. I'm using the Sigma Sculpt Highlight and Contour Palette. I've been using this a ton here on my channel, so when Sigma reached out to collaborate, I was like, yes, because I'm gonna use a lot of my Sigma favorites. So this palette right here has 3 contour shades and then 3 highlighting shades. I'm using my Sigma F23 brush, and I'm just gonna carve out my cheekbones, apply this on the sides of my forehead, down my jawline, and a little bit on the sides of my nose. I'm taking this gorgeous peachy shade and I'm gonna pop this on my cheeks. I'm doing something very subtle because I already have a lot going on my eyes, so I don't really need a ton of blush. I'm taking this Sigma liquid lipstick and I'm just going to pop this right on the center of my lips. So this is the final look. I am so happy with how this turned out, especially the eyes. I'm just like, why did I wait so long to use blue? It looks so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what video you want to see next. And thank you again to Sigma for collaborating with me on this video. And with that being said, I will see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.